Hello guys, welcome to another TS Tech Talks video. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to look for job, how to search for job on Facebook, and how to apply for jobs on Facebook. Now, most people don't know about this, but making use of Facebook application to look for job, it's pretty easy and pretty quick. And since most people spend time using Facebook and actually trust Facebook to spend time, it's actually an ideal place to look for job and actually to get job. So now I'm going to put you guys through on how to get job on Facebook and build and write a proper CV or curriculum vitae for people to for it to be attractive and for people to easily give you that job, dream job of yours which you are looking for. All right, so all we need to do is to go ahead and open our Facebook application once more. Make sure you are logged in already if you are not. And also another interesting part of this video is after you've applied for this job, several jobs, you can actually turn on the notification to be receiving jobs recommended to what you want. So when you click on the notification, it's going to notify you of a current job that is currently available depending on your interest or your selected interest actually. So I'm going to be showing you guys how to select a particular interest so that Facebook will be giving you jobs. And actually on my other account, I receive job notification like every day. Let me show you guys. So okay, I'm currently on the account right now. Let me see, notification. Actually saw notification this morning. I think I did. Um, let's go to the home page. Scroll down a little. Where did I see that? Okay, there. Now you can notice this notification of this job around. So drive for hire, which is actually the part of the job. I don't think I remember selecting this interest, but actually it gives you job referring you to the location which is actually close to you. And all these jobs that are displaying here are all from a particular geolocation zone, which I think should be between Ikeja and Lagos. Let me see. Drivers location Sango Lekki, which is also Lagos, and you can see Ikeja just below. And if you click on this other one, what job is this? Customer service associate. When you scroll down, you are going to see it's also Ikeja, Lagos. So mostly it actually picks out your location, picks out your interest or the previous jobs you've applied for, and it recommends you to whichever jobs that is available. And the notification comes in daily actually. I wonder why people post jobs. I hope they are also real. I've actually went for two interview which is actually real, but I'm not looking for jobs. So this is going to be helpful to people who are looking for jobs. So now all you need to do, I do get notification here, I think so, but right now I haven't seen any notification. Probably I deleted them also. So all you need to do in order to apply for this particular job notification and reminder, it's just for you to come to this area and then scroll down to where it says jobs. And I think for this account I already clicked and selected, so I'm just going to make sure I use a new account which I haven't done anything job relevant. So I'm going to switch to a different account. I don't know if you guys watch my previous video on how to switch accounts, which is pretty easy. So I made a video on how to switch accounts. I think you guys would, it will be helpful to you guys because it's the new feature. So if you don't know how to do it, just go back and watch the video and learn how to switch accounts. I'm going to leave the link below. So now let's get on to today's video tutorial, which is job. So now how to find a job on Facebook. Go ahead and click on this option, click on the job section and wait for it to load. Now you can notice the first option it shows you, because I'm selecting this for the first time, the first option it shows me is for me to pick the job. What job are you looking for? So we are going to actually pick the kind of job we are looking for. Now if you can't see any of them on this option above this area, go ahead and click on add title. So when you click on add title, it's going to show you option and for you to type titles of the jobs manually. So all you need to do is to say because of the person that owns this account is a trainer, so I'm just going to say trainer. So now you can notice below it says trainer, but another thing is the person is a gym trainer, so I'm just going to say gym trainer, or gym instructor or gym teacher or gym supervisor. So I'm just going to go ahead and select this gym option and then go back again, select more option, gym coach, and then go back again and then select another different option, gym instructor. So now I think these three options are okay. And then if for some reason we can also pick for more, which is secretary. So a secretary job, select, and then a manager. Which kind of manager? Store manager, general manager, assistant manager. Let's say assistant manager, and then which other categories, whichever categories you want, you can just pick out. So once you're done picking out your option, and let me just go ahead and say business owner slash engineer and select the other options also. So once you're done selecting the option, just go ahead and click on add and wait for it to load. So once you click on add, you can notice it's already added to your job, the job you are looking for. So go ahead and click on save. So when you click on save, you can notice these job options that are showing here is a bit different from the one I chose. So another way to go about this, you can also pick the location so that it's going to give you a location wise. And currently this is the location that I am located at. So all I need to do is just say apply, try locating the center on the map. So let me go ahead and zoom out, then just pick your location. Just search for any location you know that is closer to your own location. This is going to be dependent on the location where you stay. So I'm just going to say first stack. Why? So for some reason this is not typing, but it should be typing on your own end. Let me go ahead and pause and see what actually is going on. So we're still on the location. So click on the kilometer and you can actually reduce the kilometer of how far you want to go to the location you're going to be working for. And then if not, you can just go ahead and choose a particular city right here. Just go ahead and type it in. And the last time I did that, it didn't give me exactly the location I wanted. So after typing, although, just click on the direction on this arrow. So once you click on that, it's going to go ahead and pick in that particular location. And you can also increase the kilometer of how far you can walk in a particular location. So I'm just going to make it, if you want to get a wider range of job, you just make sure you make it bigger so that it's going to get you more options. But the difference is it actually gives you those options, but it's not going to be very close to your home. So if you want to choose a place that is going to be very close to your home, just make sure you reduce it to the smallest kilometer, and it's going to select automatically that particular location which you choose and give it to you. So once you're done selecting, just go ahead and click on apply, and it's going to give you job relating to the particular area. Now you can notice the option have filtered and is now giving me jobs located in the particular area just within that job geolocation which we chose right now. Now if you're done with that, the next thing you do is to select the category, which I think we already did on the beginning. And if for some reason you just want to reshuffle this, you can go ahead and choose whichever you want, and then computer data, computer and data, select education not interested, management interested, head office. So once you're done, just go ahead and click on apply, and it's going to be loaded up and it's going to be filtered again, showing you different job option once again. So Once the option is done, you can also go to job type, which is actually the another different option. You can say if you want full-time, part-time, internship, volunteer, depending on the kind of job option you want. If you want a wider range, just leave this on default. On default, it gives you all option. But if you want to select it, just go ahead and choose options. And once you're done, go ahead and click on apply. Whatever you want, you can just choose your option. And once you're done with that, which is everything, and there is nothing much for you to go on to than to scroll down. Now, to apply for a job, all you need to do is just go ahead and click on a particular job option and go ahead and select apply. So if you click on apply, automatically it applies the jobs for you. And once you click on send, but you can just send this to the person without leaving your details to the person. So we are going to have to add other details like the real name, the address, the email address, the phone number, the city we're coming from, and finally, we have to select if we have a smartphone or not, say yes, and if not, you say no if you don't. So once you've selected that, why do you think you could join our team? Just give them an option. And okay, let's go ahead and add some name to this. So I'm just going to add email address, which is and then after that we need to add a phone number to it. Click on the phone number section and then say okay. So once you're done with the phone number, you can notice the name, city, email address, phone number, and the previous place we worked on. We can go ahead and select all the places we worked at, and then I'm going to say that's my job. So from what year you've done the job, you can select that if it's required. But if you currently work in the place like I do, just select I currently work here. And then from when you started, you can just go ahead and click on when you started, and it's actually December. So after you selected that, go ahead and hit save. And you guys should notice if you are saving up this thing, it's just going to reflect on your profile account later on. And educational history, you can go ahead and select your educational history, primary school, secondary school. After adding all of those, you can select the option just for you to know. Click on it, put the name of the school, put the area of study, the description, which is actually it's called certification which you awarded, from which year to which year. Once you're done, just click on save, but I'm not adding anything for now. I'm going to cancel that out. So once you're done, just click on send. So now you can notice an option appears. RAGP Empowerment Program requests a response for you. Why? Okay, that means it's not complete because I'm interested. So once you're done, click on send and please enter a valid phone number. The number is not complete. Why is that? Of course, it's complete. So probably because it detected the number wasn't a complete, a valid number. So after you've sent that, you can just close it, back out again, and then apply for the next job. But now the interesting part is if you want to apply for the next job with the same detail, you don't need to enter anything because the previous detail I saved before is already here. So I don't need to enter a new detail. So all I need to do is just to click on send or answer their questions. Which CPR software do you use? Which software? Okay, just put any software there. and then send. So it's pretty easy, not difficult, and you can also browse for more job if you are interested. If you want to change your geolocation zone, you can increase that. And after all this, most times you will get notification, and sometimes you get to see it on your homepage. Like for instance, when I scroll down, then under this area where it shows you people you may know, you are going to be seeing job notifications here. You're going to see apply and decline under this area. But because I just created and added this option to this particular account, you might not be seeing it today till tomorrow or so before you start seeing them. And then apart from that, when you click on your notification, you're going to see different other job option which is also available in your location. So make sure you check that every day. If you are trying to get a job online from Facebook, you're definitely going to get be lucky to get a job on Facebook, because mostly Facebook users are actually active users. So I would also say if you're using other job search websites to look for job, you're actually going to get more luckier if you make use of Facebook. So hopefully you guys watch this video and it's helpful. If you did, please like, subscribe, and share the video with your friends. And if you're watching from Facebook, don't forget to like the page and come back for more videos some other time. All right, see you guys soon. And if you have any question regarding this particular tutorial, just leave it on the comment below. I'm going to respond to that. Or you can just ask a question or request for a new video and I'll attend to that. All right, see you guys soon. Sorry for making this video too long, and hopefully you guys enjoyed from it. All right, take care.